Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint lemonade. First, gather your fresh ingredients: lemons, mint, sugar, and water. You'll need about 4 to 5 lemons, 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, and 1 cup of sugar. We'll also prepare a simple syrup to ensure smooth sweetening. This method guarantees a perfectly balanced and refreshing drink every time. To begin, select 4 to 5 ripe, juicy lemons. You'll also need approximately 1 cup of fresh mint leaves, preferably from your garden or a local market. For sweetness, have 1 cup of granulated sugar ready, along with 4 cups of cold water. Using fresh, high-quality ingredients is key to achieving the best flavor for your lemonade. Next, juice your lemons to yield about 1 cup of fresh lemon juice. In a blender, combine the lemon juice, your fresh mint leaves, and the simple syrup you prepared. Add 3 to 4 cups of cold water. Blend until the mint is finely chopped and fully incorporated. Taste the mixture and add more simple syrup if you prefer a sweeter lemonade. For a smoother drink, strain the blended lemonade through a fine mesh sieve to remove any mint fragments or lemon pulp. Fill your favorite glasses with ice, then pour in the freshly made mint lemonade. Garnish each glass with a vibrant sprig of fresh mint and a thin slice of lemon. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy your perfectly refreshing homemade mint lemonade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.